all that. They didn't do them like George Floyd. They was about to, but so he said, look, you think I was kind of thinking that.
I ain't seen the video. I recognize, bro, it's a script. You know how many people have been killed by police this year? I can tell you another year was about 2,000. That's in the United States alone. Another year was about 2,000. That's in the United States alone. And the ones, just the fact that there's other killings and whatnot that even happened on camera. They got on the camera. Why is it that they trying to big this person up and try to document it so much, huh? And somebody please tell me what happened to the person, because I haven't seen a video, because I recognize the psychological warfare that comes into play if you keep trying to show the death of origines and two origines, you try to devalue them. Because I'm gonna say this again, there's cops that have been killed on camera, but you try to look those videos up online, you cannot find those videos. They pull them off the video, they pull them out of the air. There's even pale kids killing other pale kids. They take those off the air. You can't find that. It's not that it doesn't happen, it's just you can't find it. But yet when it comes to death for you, it is strategically done. This is a strategic element that has been done in the place. And I really think that it's done as far as on the script. I don't know if he's whether dead or alive. Like I said, I haven't seen the video. I said I can care less for him. I know he's a sellout. He was too old and he's with that pale bitch. That's that nigga. I could care less.
And also you got to realize also, right, which I know you do, that these people the people on supposed to be, like Phoenix would say, right? Just saying, all skin folk ain't kinfolk. We got too many Stephen Django motherfuckers running around. You know, who's on that neck type of niggas, right? We do. And you know, I'm gonna get a little bit more toys than you, or a little bit more on my plate than you, right? And that's what's been happening. We got too many coon ass Stephen Django motherfuckers running around. Way too many. You know, I mean, not too many because they don't want too many, right? It's like, I'm going to give you just enough. And then everybody talking about, oh, we need to bring out Al Sharpton and Jesse Messi Jackson and shit. You niggas ain't did shit for us. You got Maxine Waters and all these other motherfuckers. What's the other brother that passed away? He's an old dude from
too many. It's too many. The fact that you had to ask show you there's too many. If you could tell me what's the other so-called Jew that was killed by police, we wouldn't even know, because they wouldn't let that happen. They wouldn't let that happen. They organized and they work together. And you know what? You're on the right move too, as far as with these blacks and these Sambos. Like I said, when these foreigners leave, yeah, that's great. But we still got to deal with a lot of these Sambos. I think because really it's not that many of these foreigners. Oh, I say the pale Europeans, as far as there's not that many of them. They're going extinct.
Okay, look. I drove an 18-wheeler, right? All these years until recently, right? 15 years. So most of the time when everybody go live and stuff, I'll be in my truck and I'll be riding. I'm that damn good. But anyway, I'll be texting in while I'm driving, right? But it's places I done been to all over America. These people are living nice. I mean, backwoods, all that type of shit, right? Outside the cities. Nice homes, walking their dog, you know, picking up the paper in their robe, all this shit, right? I've seen it. And I'm like, why come we can't have the same thing? And we don't commit so-called as many crimes as they say. Like you said, they ain't showing they shit. They gonna show your ass though. They gonna show, oh, he fucking up. Look, we'll put it on the nose. Like they say in America, if it bleeds, it leads. You know, look at these motherfuckers over here, they doing it. Like I said, let's say I was a cop and I went out to the county, all white folks. I seen a little white boy, a little white girl, they playing. And the little boy, you know, as boys, we play with guns and shit, little paper guns, you know, toy guns, plastic. I can't roll up and just shoot that little white boy. They will throw my ass under the jail cell. Off top. But you motherfuckers come to our neighborhoods and you don't live there and do us in. Off top.
Exactly. You know, that's the disrespect.
Yeah. Like I don't look at you as being human. I'm not saying all white folks. I'm not saying that for the record, right? It's just the point that,
we know that
you can do it. You can do that. And then they got the one white dude. I was watching this one channel. The dude, he's a white boy. He said he's an ex-cop, young still. He said, I couldn't make my quota, and which the chief told them to do. He said, I drive a couple of blocks out of, the nice area and go down there and fuck with y'all. He said it. I make my quota so I can keep my job. I go, you spit on the ground, ticket. You dump the cigarette, ticket. Whatever, right? And this in Baltimore. The dude was in Baltimore at the time. And, Baltimore is kind of, which most of all our cities, when they come
they
to.
They should get a ticket for that, to be honest.
Huh?
I said they should get a ticket for that, to be honest. I just saw some people littering that, so I know that feeling. But I get what you're saying. Go ahead.
But white folks do it. They do it too. I
just called them out too on my camera. Go ahead.
No. Go ahead, bro.
Yeah, I just called them out too on camera. Like I was just before I started filming. I saw some hybrids. They literally was in because it was a hot day, and they parked in the squeeze in the last parking spot where the shade was at, and they go in there, and I see before I had my phone out, I saw that they threw like a bottle or something. A bottle hit the hit the parking lot, and then it came out the passenger side, and then some other trash. And I saw, and I look, and I walk over to the side, and I said, "Hey, you just stole your trash out." I said, "You just you drove your huh?" And I'm like, "You heard me, man." I said, "You dropped your trash out over there." He said, "What?" I'm like, "You dropped your trash." I'm like, "You gonna pick your trash up?" He said, "Huh." He kept acting like it. And the pale bitch who threw it, she wouldn't even look me in the eyes. And he couldn't even look me in the eyes. So he was just saying, "Huh?" They just a bunch of cowards. And these hybrids, they just drove off. Like, I'm sick of them. I'm like, why the frick are they here?
And to go off the same token, yeah, exactly, DJ. What I'm saying is that y'all living over here all good. I mean, shit. And I think Cherokee Tulu told me this. Man, her rap. I didn't mean to put you out there like that, sis, but it blew my head off, right? They're on a different system, and we're not on that system. That's why they can do what they're doing. That's the only reason. They in their right so-called status, right? And I was on that one sister channel last night, and she a cool sister. Her name, she goes by Miss Meat 37. I said, everything that's coming out your mouth, sis, you're right, but you keep saying black. And she led me on a panel. I was explaining to her everything we're talking about now, right? And she was like, "You know what, Rainstorm, I need you to come back." I said, "You got a powerful channel, but you're talking, once again, I'm educated, I'm blah, 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 right? And then turn right around and say, and black people, and black, and black, and black, and black." You just killed your own message right there.
Facts.
You did.
Facts.
You see, if I'm lying, somebody tell me I'm wrong. Me and my mom talk about it, and my aunties and everybody I can reach that's willing to listen. I'm like, man, how'd you learn all this? Go to Lacono Empire channel. Go to Copper Hot Step channel. I can point you in the right direction. Instead of you asking me all these questions, go to Healing Inspiration. He'll tell you how to eat.